Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add filters in Snapseed. If you are new to Snapseed and you don't know how to add filters in your photos, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app. Now, choose the photo that you want to add filters to. From here, as you can see, we have lots of options in the filter like faded glow, morning, bright. For now, I'll choose portrait and simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we can add filters in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.